What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, the thumbnail, a 2012 Dodge Durango. It's got a little bit of damage to the front, but the reason I'm showing it is because this is all I saw in the pictures. It was just this, a little bit of front bumper damage. Maybe there's more to it than that, considering there seems to be oil everywhere behind this. Look at this. That's covered in oil. Makes you wonder what they hit. Maybe that's not oil. Hold on. No, it's oil. That's oil. Okay. You never know, man. You never know. A little bit of damage to the tire there. This tire is shot. There's no tread really left on it either. This one also, there's not really any tread to speak of either. 157,000 miles on the odometer. It's got a tow package. Really nice. Flex fuel. Full of rocks. That's interesting. Oh, wow. Must be from where they were unloading it and they scraped the tow hitch on the ground. The tail lights busted out. Yeah, all the tires are bad. Gnarly little dent right there with a little bit of rust. And again, just bad tires, man. That's one of the most dangerous things you could do is drive around on bald tires. Absolutely horrible, horrible idea, guys. All right, let's take a look back here. Get our first. Ooh, boy, she's nasty. Yeah, she is nasty. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, it smells horrible. Well, it's got power, so it's got that going for it. And if I remember correctly, I keep thinking this is a repo. Let me double check. Let's see if this is a insurance car. No, it's not an insurance car, or it'd have the name of an insurance company on it. So this is, if I remember correctly, I think this is a repo. Ooh, it just smells so bad. I mean, seriously, this thing stinks. This would be an auto spa deal. Oh, she's got no gas. Got an aux and a USB input. Looks like it's got a little power outlet somewhere, probably in the back. Cigarette lighter adapter down there. I'm sure this has the 3.6. No check engine lights though. It's got a TPMS light. Important window works. Less important window also works. Let's find out if the AC works. All right, let's kick on the air conditioning. Let's see what it does. Radio works, yes. Power steering. Feels good. Brakes feel good. Gears. Reverse. Uh-oh. Okay, well, yeah, it goes backwards. It must be in a rut. Yeah. Uh-oh. Our air conditioning just quit. There it goes. Okay. She's tripping a little bit. Just a little bit. The AC, well, honestly, I don't know. We'll see. It feels cool, but it definitely doesn't feel cold. It seems to be running well, though. Let's pop this hood. Like I said, I already know it's got a 3.6 under the hood. Yep, there she is. Ooh, boy, she's, this thing just did not age very well, did it? Lots of room to work under the hood here, but there is so much oil under here. I mean, this is bad. Where is all of that coming from? Wow, your power steering unit is right there. You've got lots of wires running through here. I don't know who did this or what all this goes to, but yeah, that's not factory. More wires that aren't factory right here and here and here. Ew. Oil everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Really concerned about where all that is coming from. That is bizarre. I mean, the whole front of the motor is covered in oil, but it almost looks like it came from something else and went all over the front and through the front. That's what I'm thinking. I don't think that oil is from this. That is bizarre. Do you need to replace the bumper? I don't think so. I think you could clip these and glue the rest, fit this back together. You could make this go back on. You absolutely could. Fit the bumper back together, put a set of tires on it. You might be okay. Sounds like the AC is working from out there. In here though, it's just not doing well. And now it turned off again. The front AC turned off. Come on. Huh. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So I would just assume that the air conditioning doesn't work. Let's just make that assumption. I think that's a safe bet. Let's take a look behind at the hatch. Power lift gate works. That's nice. Ooh, wow. So somebody use this as a work vehicle. This is so nasty. It is. This thing is really nasty. You got that Alpine subwoofer under there though, so that's nice. I guess if it goes cheap enough, it's something I might be interested in. And then it died again. The blower motor is what it seems to be. It comes and goes as it pleases. So that, there it comes back again. Yeah, you know what? I'm not interested in this one. I really thought I was. It's not that bad. It's really not. But the more I sit here looking at it, the more I'm just convinced that I don't need a Dodge Durango. So let's move on to the next one, which I also don't need, but that one I might actually buy. Next on my list, a 2011 Nissan. I believe this is a Sentra, right? Let's take a look at it. It's going to go cheap because it's an older Nissan Sentra and it's got almost 200,000 miles on the odometer. That's a lot. That's a lot. But honestly, the body doesn't look too bad. Took a little damage right there. There's something going on. Burnt clear coat right there. Oh, I didn't see this. That's pretty gnarly. But as something that you just daily drive, maybe an A to B car, beater with a heater, possibly even an air conditioner, not too bad. Some damage to the front there as well. The tires, so far, the tires are usable, but I don't know for how long. That one is pretty bad. I mean, it's going to need a set of tires at some point. These tires are all kinds of mixed up and they're not in great shape. So expect a set of tires. Could you use them to get home? Probably. Would they make it? Maybe. Maybe. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. Looks like there's no dome light, so probably gonna need a jump. Doesn't smell bad so far. Oh, wait a minute. I hear dinging. Yeah, it's, you know, it's all right. It doesn't smell the worst. Cigarettes, berms all over the place. You get some money down there. It definitely has some odor to it, you know, but whatever. You got your socket down there, an adapter, 3/8 to 1/4. That's always nice. Pop the trunk. Well, hell, let's fire it up, see what it does. Oh, she started right up, didn't she? Brakes are questionable. Very questionable. Turn the AC on max AC. We'll see if we get any air conditioning coming out of this bad boy. Okay, we have a service engine soon, TPMS, airbag, and a brake light. And it's not from the e-brake. You put your foot on the brake and I don't know if there's any brakes at all. Yeah, it's got brakes. They're not very good. They'll stop, but there's something, and this feels weird, man. This is, oh no. Oh, come on. You're kidding. Maybe I gotta close the door? The shifter was feeling really weird, and now it's stuck in park. Are you serious? I didn't do it, man. All I did was put it in gear and put it right back in park again. Oh, you can change the size for your soft drinks right there. That's important. That's a super important feature to have. What the hell? Yeah, this is jammed. Hold on. That's jammed. It is jammed. Does the import window work? Yes. Yes. Air conditioning? Absolutely not. It doesn't do anything, so we're going to go ahead and turn that off. Engine sounds healthy. Radio? Yep, radio works. The black ice air freshener. It's no longer freshening air at all. That's a fact. Power steering feels good. As I said, brakes, not really. I would be very skeptical of the brakes on this. I'd like to pop the hood, but I can't find the hood popper. I don't know why the shifter did that. I really don't. It felt like it was feeling weird, like really, like it was trying to bind up. And I decided just to put it in park, and that was it. It was a wrap. Battery, 9 of 21, so a recent battery. Somebody used Gorilla Tape. Instead of just, you could go on eBay, you could find that hose, right, for the air cleaner to the throttle body. That hose is probably no more than $10 to $15. But no, instead, we'd rather use Gorilla Tape, because that makes sense. This cap for the coolant is held on with electrical tape. Okay, well. So I was legit interested in this car because I thought, okay, it could be a good daily driver for somebody. It's not very pretty, but if it runs and it drives, you know, it doesn't have to be pretty. Let's see the trunk. It's an intake or exhaust gasket right there. Looks like exhaust. Okay, so somebody's been working on it. Mechanics rags. Somebody's definitely been working on it. But I'm going to tell you this. When I pop the hood and I see a bunch of tape, instead of fixing things, even with junkyard parts or eBay parts, when you start throwing tape all over everything and you just leave it that way, to me, that's a car that was not cared for. It's a car that probably isn't going to last the long haul. And now that the shifter doesn't want to move, again, I don't understand why. It's not like it's sitting in a rut. It's not on a steep hill or anything like that. It just, and the brakes. No, man, I don't know what happened there, but she is stuck. I can't get the key out either. There's something going on with this shifter, man. She is just stuck. And the key won't come out of the ignition. So, okay. Short, sweet, and to the point on this one. Let's go look at us a Mini Cooper. Last on my list, a Clubman S. I don't remember the year. We'll find that out in a second. But this is a buy it now of $925. $925. No key. I love this thing. I know. A lot of you probably are looking at it and you think it's absolutely hideous, it's ugly, and you hate it. I like it. I really do. I like it. So it's got a Yokohama with decent tread on the front. Flare, buy, sell, finance, flareokc.com. We got another Yokohama on the front here with good tread. So it's got a pair up front. What do we got up back here? We've got I don't know what that is. I can't hardly read it. A Bridgestone. That's a Bridgestone. A Turanza with good tread. And what do we got over here? Tell me it's another Bridgestone Turanza. Nope, that's a General, but it also has good tread. So it's got mismatched tires, but it's got good tread. This, uh-oh, they're electric. It's like a little van. I love this damn thing. I do. Oh no. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh. Well, that's usually not a good sign. Okay. Let's take a look at the interior here. It looks decent. Sunroof, dual sunroofs. Boy, talk about a luxury car, right? I mean, for what it is. Uh-oh. There's something serious going. Oh, it's been on fire. I didn't catch that smell at first, but it's been on fire. So the air intake is in here. Somebody has messed with the shifter. It's got no key, unless it's hiding somewhere, which I don't think it is. Glove box, maybe. There's the original window sticker covered in fire soot. Yep. Here we go. Now we're getting to the meat of it. Damn. I don't recall this being a burn vehicle. Oh, wait. You could see the soot behind the glass. On the back side of the glass there. Yeah, she's been sitting a long time. I thought no key. Oh. Oh, wow. Well, there it is. Okay. I didn't see this. It might be in the photos, but I didn't see it. Yeah, she's done. That's a wrap. Look at that. Everything is rusted and melted through the vents. There are wires hanging down over there, and this is all just gone. As far as being able to open the hood, I'm gonna guess probably not gonna happen. Yeah, it's frozen, it's rusted. Water was in this. Oh, man. Damn. $925 though. What do you think the chances are that the motor is still good? The motor might still be good in this, and the transmission. Let's see if we can get under here. Let's see if there's any damage under here. I don't remember how to open the hood on one of these. I really don't. Help me, help me. Hell, it's probably not even worth it. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Okay, give me a minute. If I can find it, great. If not, oh well. Well, I can't get the hood open. I tried Googling it, and truthfully, it's not worth it. It's a fire car, and I'm not interested in buying it, so it's no point in wasting the time trying to get the hood open. So we're going to get out of here, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know you enjoyed the content. Drop those comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Share the video with your friends on social media. I truly appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.